It gives me a great pleasure to be here today on the launching of two very important scientific achievements of the life sciences laboratories of DRDO. One of them, of course, is as mentioned, the swine flu kit, which has come out from our laboratory in Gwalior. And I also see in the audience the former director of Gwalior lab, Dr. Shekhar, under whose leadership this activity was done. Let us give him a round of applause for the great job which has been done. This is a great kit. It's a great, I would say, innovation which this laboratory has done. And I would like to mention that this kit is just not introduced into the market without any proper evaluation. I would say that more than 1,000 clinical samples have been tested by the different ICMR centers, which includes National Center for Disease Control, Postgraduate Institute at Chandigarh, National Institute of Mental Health and Allied Sciences in Bangalore, and of course the Medical College in Jaipur. Basically, it's a very good kit because it does not require any special equipment except a hot water bath and some of the samples which these gentlemen have developed. So you can carry it anywhere and do this, whereas the other kit, as mentioned by others, takes a lot of time, plus it requires special equipments. So I'd like to congratulate the team from our lab in Gwalior, and also the scientists who have made it a possible invention. I would also like to congratulate the agency which has taken the task of marketing it, producing it, and that is the laboratory. What is the name of the lab is the RAS Life Science Laboratory in Hyderabad, and they are now marketing. I see beautiful pamphlets, new lamp H1N1 kit, very cheap, and I'm sure they are going to popularize it in various avenues, like not only the places like hospitals, but I think in the villages, in the remote areas, and also in places where this kind of activity is to be detected. The second thing which has been done, and that has been done by our lab in Pune, High Energy Materials Research Laboratory. This is a explosive detection kit which is very good because explosive detection becomes a very important requirement today. It's to be detected wherever explosives are stored, or even after the explosion has taken place. In both the situations, the advantage of this kit is that it doesn't require any great again equipment. Basically it depends upon the colorimetry, that the moment it comes in contact with that particular chemical, you get a different color, and that color indicates the presence of an explosive. Unlike some of the very important devices which depend upon the chemical vapor detection, which requires very sophisticated equipments. So an entire testing process can be carried out at ambient temperature. Its results are available in 2 to 3 minutes, and you can detect very low intensity of explosives there. There are different versions of this which are available, what we call a drop EDK, spray EDK, and disposable pocket EDK. All of them have got different applications. But we perceive that these kits could be used by paramilitary forces, army and bomb detection centers and disposal squads, and of course many other places where the probability of explosives being stored are.